What up, y'all? It's your boy CKid here, y'all. In today's video, man, here I have here every single leather case that you guys can get for the iPhone 14 Pro. Now, I did the same video here with the iPhone 14 Pro with the silicone cases, as well as on the iPhone 13 Pro. So if you guys want to check that video out, I'll link that right up here on the card, and you can watch it right after this video right here. But y'all, today we have here the space black color here of the iPhone 14 Pro, and we're gonna be putting them on these cases. Now, I personally think the iPhone 14 Pro in the space black color is the best color you can get out there, man. I know a lot of people going with the purple, but I'm telling y'all, black go with everything, baby. So let's go ahead and get into these cases here. Now, the first thing that we got up here, y'all, I'm gonna try to pair these cases with some dope wallpapers, and again, I'm gonna show you guys how to get these wallpapers in a later video, so definitely be on the lookout for that because I know y'all been asking for it. But the first one we have up here, y'all, is forest green. So let's go ahead and slap this one right on there. Boom, we got the forest green on there. Now, this is a color, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I think this one here is a top tender for me, y'all. Now, I will say overall, y'all, the case here in hand, it feels really good in the hands, y'all. Now, the other thing I want to point out here, now this is something that they actually did with the silicone cases that I like, is the fact that we get like a two-tone color here that is gonna be different than the actual color of the case in itself. It kind of goes into like more of a darker vibe to kind of stand out and make these buttons be a little bit more apparent. And then we also have the same thing on the volume rockers as well. Now, the other thing that I want to point out here is on the silicone cases, we did have the Apple logo match the same color as the side buttons as well as the volume button here, but it looks like on the leather cases they didn't go that route. So I will say on the leather cases, I'm kind of cool with that because it makes the leather case kind of seamlessly blend into and make that Apple logo kind of blend in a little bit better on these cases here, which I think is going to look best, being a little bit more of a premium case. And then again, we get our cutouts here for the lightning port as well as our speaker grills here. But yeah, overall, y'all, I definitely like this leather case here. Now, I will say these buttons here on the side are a little bit more of like a metallic vibes. It's not like plastic like we get on the silicone cases, but these here are definitely a much more premium material, and I can see these lasting a long time for sure. But yeah, let me know, what do you guys think of the forest green color here of the leather case? Again, pairing it with a dope lock screen, and then, you know, you in there like swimwear, baby. All right, y'all, so this next one that we got here, y'all, is called Umber. Now, this is a color here, y'all, is going to be more of your traditional leather, like brown leather style. A lot of times you see this with jackets, belts, and all that kind of stuff like that. So this is going to be more of that traditional one. This is going to give you much more of a classic leather vibe. Now, again, you still get that same different two-tone color. Now, this is going to be like a deeper brown that we get on the power button, as well as what we get here on the volume rockers as well. And then here on the bottom, we still get our lightning cutout port as well as our speaker grills. But yeah, overall, y'all, I definitely think this color here, when it comes to the brown, is definitely a go for sure, y'all, especially if you into this more of like a darker classic vibe. And again, y'all, this leather here feels, it just feels super, super premium, y'all. And then here on the outside, we do get more of a browner shade that's going to go around the camera housing here. And again, that upper raised camera housing, let me get to my color, let me get to my background. Now, that upper raised lip here is going to help protect when you guys are sitting your phone down like you see in it right here. It's just going to help protect it, y'all, over time. And I definitely think them putting more of like a hard shell here is definitely a win for sure. But overall, y'all, I definitely think this case here, y'all, is a definite go for sure, especially when you pair it with the right lock screen, y'all. Definitely looks fire. All right, y'all, so this next one here, y'all, we're gonna actually keep this same lock screen here because I actually think this lock screen also goes very well with this ink color right here, y'all. This ink color here, y'all, I think is a definite go for sure. Honestly, y'all, so far all of these leather cases from Apple here has been pretty solid when it comes to the space black phone, because again, black go with everything, y'all. So again, here on the side here, we have now the buttons here on the side, I will say looks more of like a black shade, which is, I know it's probably like a real dark blue, but it's definitely giving off more of a space black color, which is good because it actually matches the color of the phone when you can see it here within the camera housing. And again, here on the volume rockers, we get that same thing kind of carried over. I think, y'all, with this lock screen right here, when you pair it with this ink color, definitely looks good for sure. Now, I think here on camera, it's kind of giving more of a purple vibe, which I can kind of see like hints of purple depending on how the light hitting it as well. So it's more of like a deep blue / deep purple. It's kind of definitely got hints of both colors in there for sure. But overall, y'all, I definitely think this is a solid case for sure. Now, one thing I do want to point out when it comes to like darker cases versus lighter cases. Now, when it comes to the darker cases, I think these darker leather cases are going to stand the test of time a little longer. Now, again, leather is one of those things that the older the leather gets, the better it starts to look type of thing. Like, it's one of those things where it doesn't necessarily, like, you can see it age, but like when it ages gracefully, if that's a, you know, if y'all get what I'm saying. But basically what I'm saying is, darker cases, when you get things from like natural oils from your hands, dirt, or different things like that over time, it's not going to show much on your darker cases versus what's going to show on your lighter cases. So just keep that in mind if you guys are interested in purchasing a lighter case versus purchasing a darker skin leather case. So, but let me know what y'all think of this ink color down in the comment section below. All right, y'all, so this next one that we got here, y'all, I had to bring the cats out for this one, y'all, and this one here is Midnight, y'all. Now this one here, y'all, is super dope because when it comes to having a space black phone, y'all, this one here is no doubt the one that I would say go with if you kind of want that real mystique black vibe. You want that Dark Knight vibe, which again was what I call my phone here. I just think overall, y'all, it just looks really premium, looks solid. Again, you have your darker black tone here. Now this is going to be more of like a jet black is what I'm seeing here on the buttons, and then again we have the same thing on our volume rockers as well. But again, y'all, I think when you pair it with the right lock screen face, y'all, man, you just can't lose when it comes to the space black. And again, y'all, this black is gonna go with everything. Now the dope thing about having like a black case like this, again, this one here is gonna be best for not really showing dirt or anything like that over time. So this is gonna be something you definitely want to keep in mind if you guys are wanting to have a leather case that's gonna kind of stand the test of time a little bit better than some of the lighter cases that I've shown here in this video. So, but yeah, overall, y'all, I definitely think this Midnight case here looks dope. Again, I don't understand why they didn't name the case the same colors they named the phone, like space black or something like that. But nonetheless, y'all, this is the Midnight case in the leather edition. Let me know what y'all think. Now this next one, y'all, was an easy choice for me to choose, kind of like my background that I wanted to go on my lock screen, and that is this orange leather case, y'all. Now this orange leather case, I'm not gonna lie, it looks fire on this black. Now it is a much brighter orange, so it will definitely stand out for sure. If you guys are looking for a case that's gonna kind of stand out, make it easier to find if you guys ever lost your phone or something like that, this is gonna be the case for you for sure, because it is a very potent orange for sure. Now, one thing I will say is I do like the volume rockers as well as the power button on the side, because one of the things is I will say about theirs is it actually matches the kind of orange color that we get when you guys actually mute your phone. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see if I can put it up and get the camera to kind of focus on it, but it kind of matches that same orange that's right inside of here to kind of match the same colors as the button. So if you kind of want that matchy, this is definitely going to be the case for you. And again, when you pair it with the right lock screen, y'all kind of have that orange hue over here in the corner of the Big Ben clock. And then here again, y'all, we have our cutout here for the housing of the camera. And again, we got this orange here that actually matches pretty well to the case in itself along with the button, so it kind of contrasts a little bit better than most cases. And again, you have your cutouts here on the bottom for your speaker and your lightning port. But overall, y'all, I definitely think that this case here, along with the space black, if you're going for that tiger, you know, that tiger vibe, and I definitely think this one is a go for sure. But let me know, man, down in the comment section below, which case out there was your favorite that I showed you guys. If I had to choose one out of all of these, I'm probably gonna go with this ink color, y'all. I definitely think this ink color is a unique color because it almost gives you, almost 3 different shades in one. It kind of gives you like a little bit of a black depending on how the light hit it, gives you like a purple based on how the light hits it, and then it also gives you kind of like a really dark, deep navy blue as well. But all in all, y'all, I definitely think all of their cases are solid for sure. But if you guys have any questions and want to see maybe the wallets or anything like that, then go ahead and hit that like button, as well as leave a comment down in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to try to get that here on the channel for you guys. But other than that, y'all, hit that like button, make your move, and always remember your why, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad, or I'll see y'all tomorrow. All of the cases are dope, y'all.